morning, dear students. Wishing you all a beautiful day. Students, for today's maths class, let's continue the same lesson, playing with numbers. And today I am going to teach you all an interesting topic from this lesson. So children, I want all of you all to pay attention and listen to me carefully. Okay, my dear children? Okay. So, supposing children, if you are standing at a building and if you want to go to the first floor, okay, what are you going to use? Steps. Okay, you will climb up the steps, children. So now, to climb the steps, you are going to keep your foot on the first step, then on the second, third, fourth. Okay, now when you are climbing up the steps, you are going to count them as 1, 2, correct children? Yes, we are going to count the steps as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay, so we start with the small number 1 and then we go higher and higher, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that is called ascending order. So children, counting numbers forward from small to big is called ascending order. Children, keep in mind, ascending order is numbers from small to big. They start from small and then they keep on increasing. Okay, now if you look at these numbers here, children, 4, 12, 14 and 7. Okay, now here I have written 4 numbers here. The first number is single digit. Single means one number, one single number. 12 is 2-digit number. 2 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. 14 also 2-digit number. 4 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. And next number is 7. Now children, always remember, when there is a single digit number, one single digit number, it is the smallest number compared to 2-digit numbers. Okay, now here 4 and 7 will be smaller than 12 and 14. Now to put these numbers in ascending order, ascending means from from small to big. Ascending order is from small to big. Okay, ascending order is from small to big. Now from these 4 numbers, which will be the smallest number? I said 1-digit number. So here there are 2 1-digit numbers. Okay, so look at 4 and 7. So when you count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, which number you will get first? 4. So 4 is the smallest number. So you write 4 first. Okay, then go to 7. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the next biggest number. Okay, 4 is smallest, then 7. Now look at this 2. Okay, after writing 4, cancel it. Write 7, cancel it. Now 2 numbers are left, 12 and 14. Now in this number 12 and 14, look at the number which is in the ones place, 2 and 4. So which number comes first? 2 or 4? When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 comes first, means 12 is smaller than 14. So which number you are going to write first here? 12, because 12 is smaller, and then the last number which is left is 14 will come here. That means first number is 4, 7, 12, 14. So 4 is the smaller number, then little bigger than 4 is 7, then little bigger than 7 is 12, and then 14. So when the numbers are from small to big is called ascending order. Remember your steps, climbing up steps is the ascending order. Okay, now there is descending order is opposite. Means descending order means the big number will come first and then the small number. Okay, now you are on your first floor now. You reached on your first floor. Now you want to come down. That means you are going to count the numbers backward. Okay. Now from 10, you will count 9, 8, 7, 6 and so on. Okay. So you are going to count backward. You are going to count backward. Descending means counting backward from big to small. Now look at this 4 numbers here, 16, 3, 5 and 19. I said single digit number are smaller than the 2-digit numbers. Okay, so now 3 and 5 we'll see these are smaller, 16 and 19 are bigger numbers. So let's take bigger number. Okay, which is big? 1 and 6, 16, 1 and 9, 19. In the ones place here there is 6. Here in the ones place there is 9. So 6 is bigger or 9 is bigger? 9. So we are going to write 19 as the biggest number here. Okay. So 19 is big. After 19, next is 16. 16 is smaller than 19. Then you must write smaller than this and then smaller than the next number. Okay. So 19. And 16 we wrote. Now 3 and 5 is left. Okay. Now in this, which is the bigger number, 3 or 5? 5. So we are going to write here 5. And the last is the smallest number, that is 3. Okay. So what is descending? From big to small. What is ascending? From small to big. Ascending means climbing up the steps, counting the numbers forward. Descending means coming down the steps and you can count it as backward numbers. Okay, from 10 you can count 10, 9, 8, 7. So these are descending numbers. Big number will come first and then the smallest number. Okay, so this is ascending and descending. I hope children you all understood this. Yes. So students, let's learn another topic in maths. Now children, supposing if you have books on the table. Now you don't know how many books are there on your table. So what you need to do? You need to count those books and then only you will know how many books are there on the table. So children, we count those books and then we get a number. And that is called cardinal number. Cardinal number means to count the objects. Okay, count the objects and then you get the quantity, how many are there. That is called cardinal number. Now if I show you these rings, I don't know how many rings are there. So when I will get to know the number, how many are there, how many rings are there in my hand, only when I count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I have 4 rings in my hand. So I know the quantity. How many are there? 4 rings. So cardinal numbers are the numbers, just the numbers in figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16. All these numbers in figures, they are the cardinal numbers. Okay, cardinal numbers means what? When we count the numbers and we get the quantity, we know how many are there. That is called cardinal numbers. If there is a box of chocolate, what you do? You count them. When you count, you get to know the quantity. How many chocolates are there? There will be 30 chocolates, 25 chocolates, 50 chocolates. So that is the cardinal number. Now students, let's learn what are ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are also the numbers, but they tell us the position. Okay. Now if you look at the board here you can see rabbit, crow, sparrow and parrot. Now let's number this. Okay, we'll give them the position. So now your rabbit. You can see rabbit here. So rabbit is first. Rabbit is first. Then after rabbit there is a crow. So crow will be second. After crow there is a sparrow. So sparrow is third. After sparrow there is a parrot. So parrot is fourth. So this is the position. Okay. So when we count them as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, they are called ordinal numbers. They tell us the position. Okay. And they are the numbers, children. How we say? We don't say 1, rabbit is 1, then crow is 2, sparrow is 3. We don't say it like that. How we say? We say rabbit is first, Okay, crow is second. So children, this is called ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means position, where they are. Okay, so ordinal numbers are the numbers which shows you all the position. So which are the ordinal numbers? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay, these are called the ordinal numbers. So children, don't get confused with this cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are just the numbers in figures. So we count any objects and we get the quantity. So that is called, we get the number, we get a total number, that is called cardinal numbers, and these are just the numbers in figures. Okay, remember these are just the numbers in figures, and ordinal numbers are the position numbers. So children, today we have learned about ascending order, descending order, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. So children, please do revise this and have a nice day. Thank you, students.